Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Acrobat on iPhone. First, head to the App Store and download the free Adobe Acrobat Reader app. Once installed, open it up and sign in with your existing Adobe ID, or quickly create a new one if you don't have one yet. You'll then be prompted to grant a few permissions, typically for accessing your device's files, which is essential for opening and managing your PDF documents. This initial setup takes just a couple of minutes. Once you're set up, opening a PDF is straightforward. You can access files from your iPhone, cloud services like Google Drive, or directly from an email attachment. To view the content, simply pinch to zoom in for a closer look at details and pinch out to see the full page. Navigating through pages is easy. Just swipe left or right, or use the convenient page navigation bar at the bottom for quick jumps to specific sections. Acrobat Reader offers powerful tools for interacting with your PDFs. You can easily highlight important text, add sticky notes for comments, or even draw freehand directly on the document. For forms, simply tap on the interactive fields to type in your information. And when it comes to signing, the Fill and Sign tool allows you to create and place your electronic signature with just a few taps, making document completion incredibly efficient. After you've finished working on your PDF, sharing it is simple. You can send documents directly from the app through email, messaging apps, or other services. To keep your files tidy, create and use folders within Acrobat Reader, helping you quickly find what you need. Remember to save any changes you've made, either to your iPhone's storage or securely to Adobe Document Cloud for access across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.